As a father, you play a significant role in your family. Your responsibilities start right before when you plan to have a baby. In every stage of pregnancy, your spouse needs your support. She wants you to be there in her every prenatal appointment, even though she pretends it's okay if you can't make it for an appointment. In pregnancy, because of hormonal changes, mood swings do happen right from the day 1 up till delivery or sometimes even after that. So if you want to maintain her mood temperature, then here are the certain things that you need to do. So in this particular video, I'm going to share with you how to support your partner in pregnancy. This is a series for dads. This is part 4. After watching this video, definitely go and check part 1, 2 and 3. I have mentioned the link in description box below. So stay tuned. Hi moms and cutie babies, welcome to ICAREBABY. Myself is Sim. I make videos related to parenting, pregnancy and baby care. If you are new to my channel, then definitely subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from ICAREBABY. Help ICAREBABY to reach out to 10,000 subscribers. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest and Instagram. Number 1. Be patient. Yes, you may be surprised in change in her behavior, the emotional ups and downs. Sometimes she will cry for no reason or she will get angry for silly reason. So be patient. Help her to control her emotion. So take her for a comedy movie or go for shopping together or go on the beach where she will feel relaxed, calm, which will boost her mood. Number 2. Listen. Listen to your spouse and reply her. Well, you will say we all the time hear her. So how many times you really listen and reply? Think about it. Number 3. Keep your promises. If she wants you to do certain things, then do it right away or without fail. If you want to save yourself from the emotional burst out, because you know that mood swings are high in the sky, so act wisely before it's too late. Number 4. Romantic date. Well, what can be the best option than the romantic date with your pregnant partner in order to keep her happy? So arrange a beautiful candlelight dinner with beautiful flowers and maybe some gift. But of course, meanwhile, don't forget to think about what she wants to eat and it is safe and healthy for her to eat during pregnancy. Number 5. Spa at home. Whether your spouse is working outside or at home, the relaxation time will definitely make her feel comfortable. So as she will move in pregnancy, her growing belly will put pressure on her back and legs. So everyday gentle massage with oil not only make her feel relaxed, but also it will give some relief from the pain as well. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from ICAREBABY. Till then, ciao!